We're going to do a beautiful double vanity. Double shower head, I think, is really important. A bath inside the shower.
It was not a massive space, but it was a big enough space.
Sarah and George might be leaving, but their builder Corey is stepping up to take care of the site and the Master Ensuite. The plan is to stick to the 1940s house monochrome look on the double vanity, bath and metals, mixing it up with square mosaic tiles and subway tiles. Meanwhile, the folks at House 3, fish-scale tiles. It's their 1930s-inspired Master Ensuite. Have two feature walls of them, a marble double shower and a bath.
Our Master Ensuite has got a few beautiful features. A curved wall, which we're going to do in a mosaic Kit Kat tile. Fluted glass for our shower screens.
Yep.
Arched mirrors.
Nice big black stone bath. Yeah, and also a big circle skylight. That's what we're going to deliver this week.
Our room is a bit smaller than everyone else's, so we are the only room without a bath, a smart toilet, double shower, double basin, the black bench top with the blush pink nude bowls.
It's delightfully pink. It is...
50s.
It's 50.